we are going to explore the concept of length of an arc in a circle. An arc is simply a portion of the circle's circumference. Let us look at four circles here. All of these circles have equal radii. Now we are going to draw an arc in the first circle. This arc traced the entire circumference of the circle, and therefore, since it completed one revolution, it covers an angle of 360 degrees. Let the length of this arc be L1 and let the angle be theta.
Here, theta is 360 degrees. And when theta is 360 degree, the length of the arc is 2 pi r. In the next circle, let us draw an arc which covers half the circle's circumference. Now the central angle will be half of 360, that is 180 degrees. And when theta is 180 degrees, as we can see, the length of the arc is half of 2 pi r, that is pi r. In the third circle, let us draw an arc which covers 1/4 of the circle's circumference. Now the central angle is 90 degrees and the length of the arc is 1/4 of 2 pi r, that is pi r by 2. In the last circle, let us draw a smaller arc. This arc covers 1/6 of the circle's circumference. The central angle is 60 degrees and the length of the arc is 1/6 of 2 pi r, that is pi r by 3.
Let us now tabulate these observations. So when the arc is L1, it covered an angle of 360 degrees and theta by 360, that is 360 by 360 is 1. So the length of the arc was 1 into 2 pi r. It was 2 pi r, right? When the arc is L2, it covers an angle of 180 degrees. 180 by 360 is 1 by 2 and the length of the arc was 1 by 2 of 2 pi r. And the arc is L3, it covers an angle of 90 degrees. 90 by 360 is 1 by 4. In this case, the length was 1/4 of 2 pi r. When the arc was L4, when it covered an angle of 60 degrees, 60 by 360 is 1 by 6. And the length of the arc is 1 by 6 of 2 pi r. So, looking at this pattern, we can say that the length of an arc where it covers an angle of theta is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So the length of any arc of the circle is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r, where theta is the central angle it subtends at the center of the circle. From this formula, we see that L by 2 pi r is equal to theta by 360. That is, length of an arc upon circumference is equal to theta by 360.